Namaste. Hello my dear students, I welcome all of you to our English class. Today we will learn Road Safety Week. In last class we covered paragraph 4. Last period we covered paragraph 4. Today we will read paragraph 5 and paragraph 6. Before going to our topic, you answer me. The question is, what is the paragraph 4 about? What is the paragraph 4 about? What is the paragraph 4 about? Paragraph 4 describes about various important factors that cause serious accident. We know from paragraph 4 that describes various important factors that cause serious accident. Let us come, we will read paragraph 5 and 6, Road Safety Week. Road Safety Week program also gives importance on how to prevent accident from these causes. These causes means what causes have been mentioned in paragraph 4. The 6 important causes are mentioned. The Road Safety Week program also gives importance. The Road Safety Week gives importance to check accident from the above causes. The local authorities should check the drivers of all the vehicles and motorcycles for cases of drunken driving. Local authorities means in district authorities. District authorities, RTO, will check the drivers and vehicles and motorcycles for drunken driving. Taking the alcohol, if the rider is riding the motorbike, the driver driving the four-wheeler, it is the duty of the local authorities. They will check the vehicle. Strict government orders must be issued to the license issuing authorities concerned for taking strong steps while issuing the license. The local authority or a district authority, the government will take strong action at the time of issuing the license. Person caught talking or texting on cell phones must be fined while riding vehicle. If the person is talking with the phone or texting on cell phone means practice of sending message. Person caught talking or texting on cell phones must be fined heavily. Fine means heavy financial imposed. Any financial will be imposed. Person caught talking and texting on cell phones must be fined heavily or punished not to repeat such violations. Violation means break of law. Violations means break of law. Break of law. Financial heavy fine or heavy punishment not to repeat such violations. Second time they will not do the same type of mistake again. Anyone without helmet or not wearing the seat belt is in case of four-wheelers, helmet for the riders. Anyone without helmet or not wearing the seat belt must be fined. Drivers must be cautioned by road signs that and speed limits to avoid mishap. Mishap means accident. Mishap. Mishap. Mishap means accident. The driver must be cautioned. Caution means say something as a warning. Say something as a warning. Anyone without helmet or not wearing a seatbelt must be fined. Driver must be cautioned and by road signs and speed limits to avoid the mishap. Driver must be conscious. The driver must be alert about the road signs and speed limits to avoid the mishap, to avoid the accident. The fitness certificate should be made compulsory for every vehicle running on the road. Fitness certificates. Fitness certificates means while buying or purchasing a new bike, the fitness for the bike is for the period of 15 years. For the period of 15 years. For the period of 15 years. After the completion of the 15 years, the owner will go to the regional transport office. He will give the application. The authority will check the vehicle, whether the vehicle is running condition or not, whether fit or unfit. If they will fit, it is fit, they will give the permission again for the 5 years. This is called the fitness certificate. Fitness certificate should be made compulsory for every vehicle running on the road. No tolerance should be made. No tolerance. Tolerance means patience. No tolerance. Nothing should be tolerated. Should be made toward the violation of the road safety rules. No tolerance should be made towards the violation of the road safety rules. If any vehicle, any rider, any driver will break the traffic rules, then nothing should be tolerated. Nothing should be tolerated. Definitely, heavy fine or strong punishment will be taken against him. Lastly, paragraph 6. Road safety is an opportunity for us to recognize the precious of life. Road safety week is an opportunity. The road safety week is giving a facility to recognize, to identify the preciousness of life, the value of life, to make people understand. People will understand what could be done to save our lives. What measures we will take to save our lives as well as the life of others. This is all about. Paragraph 5. Paragraph 5 gives information about us that have the suggestions to check road accident. Paragraph 5 describes or gives suggestions to check the road accident. And paragraph 6 gives the conclusion or concluded statement. That's all about road safety. Thank you. Many thanks.